What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is going to be a comprehensive review on the Lackmond Beast full-size 10-inch tile saw. We will unbox it, assemble it, fill it with water, plug it in, and see how well it cuts. Now, this tile saw can cut and rip longer tiles than any tile saw on the market like its kind. I'm excited about this one. Let's open up the saw, assemble it, and get right to the review. Okay, so we've got our main tray and rail system. We've got our motor here and our arm, spray nozzles, GFI on the cord, hose, all of our trays, sliding trays, extension trays. Got your fence here for our diagonal cuts. We've got a pump from Ruby. Now let's open up the stand and let's hope that we don't have to assemble this. Please, I'm crossing my fingers. Installing the Beast 10-inch porcelain tile saw blade. Let's check to see if the blade is square after installed right out of the box. All squared up. Okay guys, right off the bat, immediately after opening this up and assembling it, it appears to be made with very good quality materials. Everything feels nice and firm. There's absolutely no slop in the tray, very large tray. Extension trays for large format tile here. Extension trays to contain water. Very nice Beast porcelain blade here. All squared up right out of the box, no adjustments necessary. We have our spray nozzle to clean off the table and of course to keep the blade cool. Extension tray back here as well. And again, this tile saw can rip bigger tiles than any other tile saw on the market. Here's your fence for diagonal cuts. The saw can plunge cut, as well as miter, 22.5 and 45. We'll test out the mitering capabilities today on some hard porcelain. Big arm here, so that it can cut very large size tiles. We've got a GFI on the cord. And again, it's a very great looking saw. Stand does sit a little low. Let's fill it up with water, plug it in. I'll quickly tell you what we're going to cut today. We're going to cut an array of different types of material, porcelain, glass, stone and ceramic. So here we go. Okay, the time has come. Let's show you what we're gonna cut here. We've got a 3-foot porcelain plank. We will rip this to show you the accuracy. We have stone, sheeted pebble rocks here, ceramic mosaic sheet. We will cut some glass, thick, 3/8 of an inch thick, and then also cut a high gloss, very hard porcelain tile. Five gallons of water. Let's turn it on. Now the pump has a shut-off valve here, very cool. Let's open that up. We first rip a porcelain plank. And there you go. First cut successful. This saw cuts hard porcelain like a hot knife through butter. Let's check the accuracy. Three and 11/16. 3 and 11/16. 3-foot plank, square, straight, clean and accurate cut. Let's move on to some glass. Here we go. Thick glass with backing. And there's your glass cut. If you can see, it's a very clean cut. It may look like it's chipped, but this is simply the backing. Simple solution. Use a diamond pad like so. And there's your glass cut. Let's move on to stone pebbles. Sheeted pebbles. Very nice and clean cut. We cut ceramic and then we miter hard porcelain tile. Clean cut. Let's miter this 12 by 24 porcelain. So this is one fantastic feature that the DeWalt cannot do. Miter cut a 12-inch porcelain tile Right side up with the glaze on the top. With that big, giant arm right there. I'm loving it. I'm loving it. This saw is amazing. Look at that miter. This beast is a mitering beast. All right, let's talk pros and cons. The Beast 10-inch wet tile saw. Best tile saw 2019. It is pretty darn close. Okay, the pros and the cons. Man, there's not much bad to say about this saw. We'll start with the pros, the good. Very powerful motor, fantastic strong blade that it comes with. It can cut very large tile. It can miter a 12 by 24 right side up. The DeWalt cannot do that. The water pump is amazing, shut off valve. You've got these guys here to spray off the tray, so you can point these wherever you want to cool off the blade. It feels extremely sturdy, very well built, good material. This thing will last a very long time. It can rip a 36-inch tile. It holds 5 gallons of water, GFI on the cord. I can go on and on. Now the cons, very simple, only a few of them. One, we'll start with the height. This stand sits very low, much lower than the DeWalt. All you have to do is add some wheels or casters. Two, the price is high. With a standard stand, this thing runs over $1,000. I would say around $1,100. If you want the gravity stand, you're looking at about $1,200 or $1,300. And that's pretty much it for the cons. Height, price. All in all, I love the saw. It cuts well, it cuts strong, fast, clean, really good with miters. We're gonna keep this saw. It's going in our toolbox. I think right now this might be one of the best tile saws in 2019, full-size 10-inch. Thanks again for watching, guys. As usual, don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button, and I'll see you on the next tile saw review video.